छोटे से दुनिया का बड़ा सा इंडिया, यह है अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया। चाय का प्याला हो या गपशप मिर्च मसाला हो, फैशन है, अग्रेशन है, बिन बात का पैशन है, स्टार्टअप गिरी का फितूर है, अरे तभी तो इंडिया मशहूर है। उम्मीद का सवेरा है, खुशियों का बसेरा है, सपनों का देश, अपनों का देश, यह है अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया। मिट्टी में जो हम सपने बोते हैं वो आसमान को छूते हैं। गुडलक की टोपी पहन के भी शीश हमारे झुक जाते हैं। यहां जीत की होती तंग गलियों में तैयारी है और कागज की कश्तियां भी करती किनारों की सवारी है। सपनों का देश, अपनों का देश, ये है अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया। यहां आईना है, तस्वीरें हैं, संस्कृति भी खास है। चमकते बाजारों में मुस्कुराता प्यार है। रंग बिरंगी पोशाकों में तभी तो लगते चांद चार हैं। खुशियां हैं त्योहारों की, मिलजुल की, बहारों की। सपनों का देश, अपनों का देश, यह है अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया। पतंगों के मेलों में कटती रंजिशों की डोर है, सैर है, सपाटे हैं, यहां टूरिस्ट बड़े आते हैं। ये मेरा है, ये तेरा है, ओशों का सवेरा है, धूप है, छांव है, उन्नति के गांव है। सपनों का देश, अपनों का देश, ये है अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया। पैगामों का इंडिया, हाजिर जवाबों का इंडिया, गुब्बारों में उड़ते आसमानों का इंडिया, कश्ती में सवार निकल पड़ा है इंडिया, पंख फैलाए उड़ चला है इंडिया। सपनों का देश, अपनों का देश, छोटी सी दुनिया का बड़ा सा इंडिया, यह है अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया।
Watching, it's a secret between us. And everybody, please pick up the whistles. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, whistle! I like this. You know, there are few people, because you're educationists, you're supposed to behave properly. I promise you, it's not on television. The footage is not going anywhere. Let's do it once again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, whistle! I love this. I love this. Ladies and gentlemen, I am that naughty boy in school who's always taking out the class. So forgive me if you break rules. I request all of you to stand up. Come on, let's stand up. Educationists, come on, my stalwarts. I will not make you give a standing ovation. That's been done in 7,650 shows. We are not giving standing ovations. Face the person standing next to you. Face the person. Face. And give a high five. Come on, everybody. High five! Sir, the gentleman, sir, listen, I couldn't hear it. Face properly, madam in the brown jacket. Face this gentleman here, he's a good man. Alright? Everybody face each other. One high five! I like this, thank you, please take your seats. Sir, just because you got a free whistle, you're going on and on, but I like you. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for this young man here. Stand up, come here, my brother. Look at him, ladies and gentlemen. What a man. I love you, brother. Can you please stand next to me? We'll do the show together. Come here. Every line I say, just whistle. Alright? What's your name, sir?
Sure,
Rakesh. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Rakesh, just told...
To whistle.
Yes, your job is to whistle, but you won't get paid for it, okay? Okay? 1 second, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, start! Ladies and gentlemen, he's a living legend in the field of whistles. I love you, brother. I love you. Come here. If I was a woman, I would have married you right now. Please take your seats. Thank you, brother. Thank you. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call on board my co-host, who's going to be with me only for 5 minutes, because tonight is going to be Valentine's night, so she's going to leave the show midways to meet her boyfriend. But it's okay. Give it up for Prerna Chadha.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Pradhan, for all the whistles and standing ovations. I'm honored and privileged for a warm welcome. Thank you so much. You arranged it for me. Thank you so much.
Now, please, ladies and gentlemen, she's only going to be here for 10 minutes, I promise you. Okay, Prerna, you can come next to me. I'm a very platonic man, so you can stand. Thank you so much. Can I have the sound of the monitors, please? The zero sound. So here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on behalf of Franchise India Awards, the 8th annual edition of Indian Education Awards 2018. Applaud, please. The scriptwriter is a legend. He's written this for the last 7 days of his life. Tonight, we are here to celebrate the achievements of educationists who have done some outstanding work in the education sector. Before we hand out the prestigious awards, ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to thank the awesome jury who worked continuously in choosing the best of the best from over 500 plus nominees who had applied to the awards. Today, ladies and gentlemen, the education industry has come together to share and celebrate all the good work done by them. The outstanding education institutes will get recognized together with individuals who've done exemplary work and set benchmarks. We are humbled by the task of awarding and recognizing those who've significantly contributed in the education business space by the efforts of novel and pioneering initiatives and radical concepts. A round of applause for me, ladies and gentlemen. I've never read so much in my life, but I did it today. Thank you so much. I did it for the love for you guys. Tali Bagao, please. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll also take this opportunity to acknowledge and thank our support partners, without whose support this event would not have been possible. Our college admissions partner, Shiksha, television media partner, Times Now, kindly give applause for ladies and gentlemen. Knowledge partner, Friendboard, official magazine partner, Entrepreneur, and the Franchising World, official portal, educationbiz.com, and media partner, Education World. A loud round of applause for all the partners.
Okay, Prerna, before you continue, what is the spelling of entrepreneur?
ENTREPRENEUR.
Ladies and gentlemen, I love it, man. I can do that.
And round of applause for my support partner, Kanan. Siddharth Kanan here for you.
All right, now we'd like to request.
Can you call the lady behind the show on stage?
Editor Chief of Franchise India, Miss Ritu Maria. And ladies and gentlemen, what a lady. Hello, Ritu. Good evening. I will let you all review. I'm there. All yours.
Presenting the lady behind the show for you.
A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and a very, very warm welcome to the 8th annual edition of the Indian Education Awards. Now, these awards are special for a real reason. You know, of course, the fact that they are in the 8th year says something, but you know, these awards to me have always meant that the collective innovation in education industry of this country comes together this very night in one hall, and it tells all about what is going to change in the education sector in the coming years. So a huge, huge round of applause to all of you who've actually sort of taken it upon your own shoulders to bring the change in education that this country needs. You know, so being one of the jury members, and one of our jury members, Dr. Jawahar Sureti, is also here today. The other ones could not join us here tonight. The interesting thing the jury always asks me is, and you know, that the awards are, the nominations that we get for the awards are across the country. We get them from Tier 2, Tier 3 cities, and then we get from the top cities, top educational institutions. And the jury would always ask me this one thing, that how do you put, or how do you sort of compare these all together? Because an innovation probably, or any change brought in a smaller city cannot be compared to, let's say, a Delhi or a Mumbai. So I've always had this one answer to maintain it. And my answer is that innovation cannot have a definition. And innovation cannot have a flow. Innovation is creativity of execution. Each city requires its execution for innovation to be done in its own way. Each part of India, you know, we cannot make anybody's innovation smaller just by saying that it's out of a small city compared to somebody's large city innovation. So to all of you, what I would like to say is that keep that momentum going. It doesn't matter what you do, big or small, but if it works in your city, your town, your state, it is right for you. If it gives results for your student, if it makes them shine, if it makes them want to do something more with their lives, if it makes the teachers want to wholeheartedly go out and make sure that the students are ready to take the next level, your innovation works. And that for me is really important. And that is what really counts for the jury when it comes to selecting you as the winners. So ladies and gentlemen, a very, very warm evening. And I hope these awards are wonderful and give you a further energy to actually do more with your institutions, with your educational initiatives in the coming years to do more. Welcome once again.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Ritu Maria, please. She's all over print, she's all over radio, she's all over television. I saw her at Times Now. I was very envious. I thought you're a far better host than I am. Give it up for Ritu Maria, please, ladies and gentlemen, who's known to snatch my job as well. Next, Skill Learning Program of the Year. Indian School of Media, empowering the event management leaders of tomorrow. Congratulations, Indian School of Media. Can I have the applause of Indian School of Media? Congratulations, ma'am. Well done. Thank you. Up next, Skill Learning Award, Beauty Training, Lakme Academy. Style your future. Give it up for Lakme Academy, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations, sir. Next up, online tutoring. Affordable, appealing, and appropriate for clearing the exam. Astral Education for online tutoring. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, at least this man deserves the biggest whistles. He's been whistling for everyone here. He deserves the most. Wonderful, sir. Love the spirit. One life. Make quick use of it.
Is always a pleasure, and when it is from Times Now for the Education Awards and in the beginning of the year 2018, it is indeed a big pleasure. And the award we have got is into online tutorial, and our courses video coaching for UGC Net has been recognized by the jury members, so definitely it is a great feeling. And I would like to thank all the partners who have supported us into this venture, and thanks a lot team, and thanks a lot to all the faculties and students.